If you gluten-free, crave baked goods that actually nourish you without gums or fillers, this one's for you.
I am Masha and you just stepped into my gluten-free kitchen. Today I am sharing a bread that is like a warm hug. It's an oat and millet tea bread. The full recipe is written out in the description below so you can follow along and come back to all the details when you're ready to bake.
It's naturally gluten-free and made with oats, millet, olive oil, and a touch of maple syrup. It's simple, nourishing, and just really satisfying. I make it when I want homemade, but without the hustle.
I started making this bread fairly recently. I was actually testing out some simple, wholesome ingredients and did not expect to become this an absolute hit with my family, especially my son who has a gluten allergy, and now we make it pretty regularly. We slice it right out of the oven when it's warm, have it with some tea, and just slow down for a bit.
Here's the thing, I'm milling my oat flour from 1 Degree Organics. Now this bread means a lot to me, not just because it's Canadian and family owned, but because their oats are certified gluten-free and glyphosate-free. That gives me peace of mind as a mom of a son with a gluten allergy and as someone who bakes gluten-free all the time. Let's be honest, finding gluten-free baked goods that don't taste like cardboard can feel like a never-ending quest. I've tried so many that were dry, gummy, or just off. That's why this bread matters to me. It's not just gluten-free, it's actually good. I just milled the flaxseed, and in this recipe it plays a quiet but essential role. 2 tablespoons help bring everything together, no eggs or gums needed. To the flours, 1 cup oat, half a cup millet. I add baking powder and baking soda. Then we move to the wet ingredients. Warm water, apple cider vinegar, splash of olive oil, and a little maple syrup to round it all out. Sometimes the butter runs a bit thin. Mine did today, so I just add a spoonful more flour until it thickens up. Once the butter is smooth and pourable, not too thick, I pour it right into the pan. Then it's ready for the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Oh, and the smell while it bakes. Warm oat flour, sweet maple, it fills the whole kitchen and makes everything feel calm and wholesome. You can serve it just like this, or if you want to elevate it, try a quick lemon maple glaze. Just whisk together maple syrup, fresh lemon juice, melted coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. Pour it over once the bread is completely cooled. And there you have it, an easy gluten-free tea bread made with real nourishing ingredients. No gum, just simple food that makes you feel good.
Whether you're new to gluten-free baking or just looking for a recipe that works, I hope this one becomes your favorite in your kitchen just like it did in mine. Let me know if you try it. Don't forget to follow me at Masha Bakes Gluten-Free for more feel-good and tasty gluten-free recipes. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Wait, I want one more quickly. First me.
No, first me.
No, first me. No. Wow. It's actually so yummy. Try it.
I tried it.